Malaga tiang te nyor kadung din media ka changa jandang raw ka pai diech karon kin dang raw de jandang raw de bakel agan mak bangut gok dung din media gwa lar ka tungnat la lar ne ni chang ko yene ko dong go la gor ka ne online mi chiran jo ma tiam pin linge bi like ka bi share ko bana ko no wan le tung nuara na ba ko le shop an wala ka changa jandang raw ka pai diech dung din media beta ka episode ti ka tanke la ko kornin ti chuwa ba ka revise ba ka nyoko manong ne ge min nam ba ro joden wale balaw president Salva Kiir ala Salva Kiir ma yadit ro ya lat ge ji wen mon la diplomatic pressure men jen ke international community men jen continental bodies men jen ka region men jen ka friend of South Sudan tin ju ge je jan ka korean to know we are ka Malaysia tan mi cha revitalize ke 2018 chelok rajamo chana pom no ga dia lo kon ya no ke ta lat ke je internationally continentally and regionally ta na ro ga nat ital ba kir chelok en wo ba comply ka da lat ke ji won mon about peace agreement so mala ro ne kir ke ji doare ke ku medien cha lo ko ro en ke ji won mon ku de na lo ka mal 2018 cha mong no bi ni na cha goro kene wone ne en kumedien ba en violently ka kor so min yugo man bana la jode walle ta ndan in char ne dum wan ko dong te ko ba la de ji mon la international community ka ta na on ken tele do ro ba la de ken tel mal man loitin and that is the reason why today ba ro jode long ko ne ba ne kon ba ka highlight ka ta na and to situation mo can I way forward so rai chiang mi je no ku ji sal pakir char wai no kolar ge ji won mon ta galok ta re wan la te ti ji nam lar ge ju tal pakir mo lo ro ji won mon ta ga power ta ga long ku bi nyin ke ku mun ko no nyin ge che ga spela mai u ka ba ngot ka mo ro ja wech agwa so se ji mo ti ge power ta ge je men ngade men gwe je ne ko ter ge je and still they don't work more why we get coming time dal le ni one so mere wona mala gaina ke je e political region anga mutong tal fakir ka ka mi jogi o logro ay no ko lar ge ji ne ideal ni ni ko kor ka bo ngod bo ba ka ju support ka region ne de kon lar ye ra je no so e issue ndar ma ra jodo ko kir jamal ji wen mo na lar ge je chelo mara ro marwa jode o kon ji so Sudan ke wi mon ke liu cha ne no male dan e cha tan ke 2018 me cha revitalize ken ku me dan ne cha form la transitional government me la ku man mal me a form ka jube en wo yo collab en wo yo chop ka the last state ka collab de cha ne ji so Sudan ke cha ne ji wi mon min wo man yam tin ne o ka kon inde pay wo Salva Kiir che the last pocket ala ne de jok tin to je spela mai wo tin to lo mekes ka parliament ne kwa la mad la parliament man mala cha point men den cher bok bidun consultation bidun right mi ala jordian cher bok we talk about the reason they con de query bok they kwa trigger ko bonom belat min go in situation like this ko je mal cha dak right mi loy ke je spela mai wo members ko ne de content work as spela mai wo en ku medan ka spela mai wo chanenen ni ga ta e cha yen kor ya yen Dr. Riek Machar ni ga pai dok ke 2025 en wo je ta difficulties ya ga pace ngai kon ya bra jodien politically militarily ka or social support it don't want to do anything that we cannot talk about ta dial do ko attribute ko chikwor ya ta ga tijin kana ino kon la rival ta ga let ko ba mal badak that we cannot blame ourselves today We will go within the same situation and under content the difficulties that we face at the moment, as a SPLM movement, as a revolution. The con opportunities, right there. Today, Kume Dan la Kume SPLM ayu derka exploit. This time. Taro kan kon about Rajodi and Karawuti. Plus one and SPLM ayu members. Tin content or true revolutionaries. Despite all this problem, the con face today. Revolution is going on. Wega wa ti banda mandano gor kono banda jak through struggle. Manugwa andana jo pekten. So toro kan the major thing tin baga nung ye the 21 like changa jandanga ko pai DH karon kin danga wudi jandanga wudi bakkel. En kule laru jira michi jak en jawme. Linge be like ke be share ko bana kon le ngotong nak be ko shop. Men am chakaro ko President Salva Kiir chaga lokala dialat ke diplomatically and go dare mal dare nyoko mi kweje reinfellment. Che lokaro mi je no. So chan rajo da ko ne men ku Kiir la ngat adinu. Taban Kiir tel mangat in actual sense. Ngada ne lia. Ko when we talk about amangat door La Bara may organize militarily. The level of South Sudan today, they want the Shanghai. Charthana, they will tell Bakir take a reserve power somewhere. So we know all part of South Sudan, tell a power, Mitaga Salva Kiir starting from Bill Palm, Wapen, Naga Bargazel, Nadore Dabutin. All the power Chaga exhaust a core Kuruna Waldio. Salva Kiir now query on Malaysiat. As we already know, and take an example, go Kore Target law, go in the Paiwa. And assortment of SPDF, Bequalashol SPDF, Kamalishiat, Tad Nogola, Murle Nogola, Anyang Nogola, Noroko Nogola, Kajang Nogola, which is not army, here national army. So, more true sign, there is no reserve force, Casas Sudan, itself for Kiri, Alaka, Ubetere Kore, Caspelamayo in the coming time. We relay. Assortment of Malaysia. Malaysia ko mobilize yo. So we know all the situation of South Sudan this time, economically. And we South Sudan tell you. Salva Kiir tell you. And the example of Utalo yo, the civil serve South Sudan. Civil serve South Sudan, Nika last year, Nika Pyro, Nika 2025, up to now. Taramikabu yo civil serve ka state ka government. So now ku survive in us. That mean a ku miji pale with a power. Tell the reserve in terms of money, tell the reserve in terms of army, we better core. Ka tell mobilization capability ku banana mobilize ku wana core ku di tell yo. Ku tell yo cha Malaysia cha ka bulong. Ku ko mobilize. Situation there a dire. Fijen. Thimi nyu do ne Salva Kiir mala ja go ne bi wona kor ko wa. Kalar na do ko ngado mo. Tell mo ngado. There is nothing internally in South Sudan that we can say was Salva Kiir take it as a forced. Me ngado ni mo kor wa kor better ga. No. Tell ya bana go ler and we know the status of the SPDF today. Kata da menteje. Well, we question of one and region nga ku Salva Kiir feel negative confident. And we look like they are like a unit, they are to their core and you will still survive political region. But you support anga. Tell a radiant. A year Masaben. So Sudan ta na take again Salva Kiir can Uganda. Especially Shukume Masaben Kanagade. A bazaar. A political bazaar. Ti Shankela need take a paranoid. They come in a mushakal of money. Take a formula to can fulfill, to can come Uganda. And we know the true interest of Uganda among the South Sudan. The young pay to pay the money to the Uganda. So Canada take it wrong. Allow Kukweriken. They are trying to forge artificial relationship, lakin cherong, chamat. So Salva Kiir become very submissive. to Museveni. Which I jo lel na me belel. Museveni gaje o Salva Kiir interest de gaje ngoda bare. You know the economic interests of Uganda kaso Sudan through Kiir exploitation na la road malatke Uganda. Ngoda mabar. You know the regional hegemony power na gurke Yoweri Museveni. If there is a strong person around the areas, they interrupt. Ngoda kamekwe maintain this weak man, let him be there. Can these two interests ngoda tagatin? Like now the one who take the role, I mean the lead, Uganda. Yes, also Sudan. That is the reason we say Ramadan and Salva Kiir. Because you feel negative confident. And go logla alat international community. Logla alat continental bodies, can a region, the president of South Sudan. Yoweri Museveni. And we see this relationship as we have planned it. A bizarre relationship. Uganda demands Salva Kiir money. Salva Kiir having no money. And now Uganda is exploiting Salva Kiir, using him as just a brand. Who South Sudan better represent, and then Uganda is using South Sudan as a protectorate. Indirectly. And Mr. Kerno, there is no direction money without who is supporting Salva Kiir. George Yoweri Museveni, as we said. And the other question, the part of the region, who is not supporting Salva Kiir? We can talk of the region here. Well, it is a geopolitical question. We know the neighboring country, the Ethiopia, the Kenya, the Uganda, the Congo. Congo is a much interest in South Sudan. Central African Republic is a much interest in South Sudan. Uganda has. Kenya is a neutral. Ethiopia take a problem. Our problem of today, as we always talk about, take a side, we support, which is the historical side. Like we support because of the issue of Gambela, as we always have planned. So now the whole country, as we always say, our brother, they call Sudan, and we are seeing the situation of Sudan now. She is stable. So when Salva Kiir is exploiting these difficulties we are facing today, region, that we will breach, overcome anytime. Well, men dodian mo number 2 kebezoto kono nong nege. E wo kono tame chane wimon chane ling ke chane wan katana de long kono South Sudan. And the fact that wimon everything that we tried could end the situation in a normal like South Sudan check a peace agreement. Each are by like 218 chadak. Chanen be in a chadak. And there is no agreement, more active. Sudan, whatever it is, whoever is saying what, Chadak. So, anyway, Chadak can write the last coping. I mean, the last meal coping. Mean the last who ben you now Chadak. And then according to you, Salva Kiir, the last pocket of the SPLM Mayu, lawmakers, they call it the Gobolo man, till I just SPLM Mayu. Appointment then. Revocation, it was a mass revocation for the pious members. Chimata wale uwo jene de ko ken denyam. They to dissident. They a which individual they a watch. We know them all. So number of wood kel at the last number of SPLM parliament. We talk about woman trigger me uwo jake. Number 1 me boy ben jaw ba watch abruptly like this. A issue of one and jene de mal dere amen ke interest de gaga rew ma charar gaga whatever de mal de la mal den bishima mal dane atay cha logo ne de kon de parliament ke chuda SPLM mayo which is a victory a court me atereken so chago watch now che jojo there is no SPLM mayo in the parliament and in the government there is no SPLM mayo because we cannot talk about parkul gwada jojo lay road o conspirator mo deadly conspirator Michanyal cha recognize bodies te kon te kwa mal te kwa lat cha recognize RJMEC, I recognize IGAD, I recognize a Troika, I recognize African Union, a man UN, Cheng, the political spectrum of today, South Sudan. I get a church, I can cool myself a kid. Whatever million corner one and take a work parliament, which should parkle, take a woman, which should parkle, dar sham. Tell a guardian. So, when you do an mal, chadak. Kuo chadak, menu the way dak. This is the last thing we said. So, according to Joe Channel, I go and take a possibility, okay? With the first by president. They relieve the position of first by presidents. So, now that work last Monday, and we always monitoring it. So, and we bala no more. Jabakan can bala. What they did was long extensions of the court hearing. Cha impose again. Tiwa up to on 17 or Paibaro. A gentleman akulu your court. Can't I make a little away? So that means they took the game by the and Paibakel the law court. So, menu one and is like Jameda and the ladder can go on Monday. A lot of leave of the first by president, I implement in the other way around. Coach had that long extension, I impose again. And Mr. Keno, I mean, you would go and knew the corner of Marchada. So, me, Malgoda, Corner the college of Spiala Mayu, the members of Spiala Mayu, physically, equal support. As we always say, China one general witness, a movement. Torada kon laro in brief nika tayan ke chairman nika paidok ke 2025 take a man difficulties to movement dan to go through chiko re ma kwen na me ka na me na ko wan ke so con those difficulties ko ngai kon ga wan ke and these are always normal ka revolution is struggle where there are many problems be a face in the kon la mi shejen so banagabal we are in new phase through all these difficulties you can face. And what maybe there are some logistical issues. Kantaro Banago overcome. We take talk work as a point of our fighting. Come canaloy what kind of meaning on. So a mission opportunity. Milane ko to call difficulties and equally to call opportunities. Ko always we know no kumme metajubume. There are negotiation, at a time of negotiation, maybe a convenience, a reformation go on as a spell my Jaga Sudan. There is no any type of negotiation. It will still continue like that. Like status quo. So when you do SPL all in all Mongor corner Mogor Canamo. It is a postful, banner post. So banner post code, Meokor, Baneter. And we cannot talk about the formula of core, because already we are in fighting. A lot of there are many opportunities. Go SPLMIO now take a more support, energetic part of the society. She can when one support can physically to the core data. So when you go and Mr. Keno, now a con go point of one and what the man a core despite all these uncertainties to go on the Janet Champagne day, here on me. Men book all logo we organize ourselves, but resistant, but continues. Katana and the China Tongue. Toro can the corner de and in summary, Chagaraiku, President Salva Kiir. Chalan Malan Lagaji with Mon Chagaluk. Chamalat International Community look. Cha Continental African Union Cheluk. Cha Region Bo. Laigad. The Tricas. Chagaluk. So many of the which I make the Kora can get a Jidoara, can a guard. And wood and Nebby in Arke. That we talk about Tanan and Mokane. Kia Wumulotke. Ku Balat. The Quidian. So Chagarai Bokata na take a nap about Salva Kiir, Kikume Salva Kiir Kajub. Malogo Malo. ngumala power mga the internal ala domestic power so chako lat bo the domestic power me available in South Sudan me de kir laro wo bater kor ko ngai kon future ta ya lat ku relay ka Malaysia assortment of Malaysia ni me tel short ko kumino ken chepel so chan right boko nga political region ku self kir feel ka negative confident and wo log ruwaini na ter kor ko ba ga support as the regional bodies chan right tin ko yor masaben and we talk about the level of the relationship today come self kir kana masaben a bazaar we take a problem go yor masaben is demanding go yo ka kir lakin kir have no money so and me me masaben ya lar lengaje because it's being forced issue na ya galat ko guru yo gaje baro diene wo mal yan ne dak ya ne ji wen mon bo wo ja dak tel mal me ko so Sudan cer ko mal dan ne jar vitalize ke 2018 chane nen mo the last neil ke coffin ata da ne cha wo ni GSPLM Iowa members ke parliament a big number of fortified by which can the last official ko kume ti yo ge malda so menyu je kon GSPLM Iowa we continue fighting despite the difficulties to corner chocolate who kume the difficulties can I mention again the lakin there are many difficulties bana balk so rien toro kan konde ora jode ken go changdarme mala ne ko lo tes ko chia go ko dung din media balo je go ken go to ko wa tang yo shukran